Hi guys, so this is my first tutorial video, so I'm super nervous. Okay, so first I start off with the Skin Hit Kit and all the Feels Facial Oil, the Happy Hydration Cream, the Puff Puff Primer, and then I start applying the Flawless Finished Foundation, the Kabuki brush, and then I start applying my Hydrating Camo Concealer just to highlight the areas I want to highlight, and then I start buffing it out again with a kabuki brush. Just make sure everything is blended very well. I start off with my brows. Gotta make sure I brush them out so they don't look all crazy. And then I try to perfect the shape with the concealer. And then I do my setting spray with the HD powder. Then I start with my eyeshadow. I keep the powder on to prevent fallout. Then I apply Evergreen from the 18 Hit Wonders palette into my crease. And next, I'm going to spray my brush with the setting spray and then apply with the metallic color element from the same palette onto the base of my eyelid, and then just buff out all the rough spots. Make sure you blend as much as you can because that's the whole point of the look. It's a well blended look. And then I go back with element right there in the outer corner of my eye. The innermost part of my eyelid has the color Moss from the same 18 Hit Wonder palette. And now I'm going to start sculpting my nose with the setting powder, the HD setting powder. And then I'm gonna go back inside the inner corner of my eyes with Vibrant. It's like an icy blue color from the same palette. One of the reasons why I do the setting spray on the brush before I apply the metallic colors or anything with like some glitter or anything is so the glitter could pop a little bit more vibrant. When you just apply it without the setting spray, it just kind of looks dusty. I don't know how to explain it, but you know what I'm talking about. It just looks better when you put the setting spray and make it wet. So now I'm gonna blend in the lower lash line with the colors Vibrant, Moss, and Shade to create kind of like an eyeliner effect. So now I'm making sure that everything is blended on my face and my eyelids, checking to see if I like everything. I'm sweeping off the HD powder to get rid of all the fallout from my eyeshadow. And now I'm going to blend out the rest of my face. So now that I'm done with my face, I'm gonna focus on my nose and making sure that everything is well blended on there so it doesn't look crazy. Now I'm going to apply the Srsly Satin lipstick in Sugar Plum. And I'm gonna define it with some eyeshadow to give it a little pop. And then I apply some lip gloss and I'm all done. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you want me to do any more